Alright, how you doing? I am Colin and this is Shineautomotive Extra, and this is now where we film what we call the week in Shine, the day-to-day life of what we get up to in the garage, where we post all the clips of us just doing our normal day-to-day stuff. What we're doing right now is we're currently moving all the videos from Shineautomotive over to Shineautomotive Extra. What we've got to do now is catch up over the next 50 odd videos that we'd already done on the main channel. The reason why we're doing this is because the analytics of the week in Shine is killing the growth of the main project channel, which is Shineautomotive. If you haven't seen that, there's links in the description. Let's get these out the way and let's get back onto the week in Shine on this channel. If you don't know me, I waffle, and over on the main channel we have loads of crazy projects, over 450 videos already uploaded. Let's crack on.
Is it Lewis? And is it in the morning?
Only just.
Yeah, did someone forget to start filming a week at Shine?
Yeah, I did.
What have you done on this van?
A leaky shock absorber and a spring.
You've done a what?
Leaky shock absorber and a spring.
Have you? Where is it? Or is it down here? So it's Monday, it's nearly lunchtime. Team from last week's week at Shine, I was away racing and I've put me back out now because I'm overweight, I'm unfit, and them lot that I was racing with are skinny and fit. So there we go. And I need to lose some beef now. Need to lose some beef. So it's Monday, we are Shine Automotive. This is a week at Shine. If you know nothing about our channel, we do a midweek video each week of the day of our life, of whatever we do around the garage and talking a load of gibberish. And we call it the week in Shine because I'm a northerner and I get my words all muddled up, but there we go. And this is Lewis. This is Lewis, our apprentice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is Dan the man. Sam is putting this Corsa back together for the head gasket failure one. Morning, Sam.
Yeah.
Hello. Putting this head back up together that we've had service skimmed because the head gasket has sadly failed on a Corsa SRI turbo because it's just too big a turbo for a little size engine and it's only done 60,000 miles. So this is going back together now. Happy days. 30,000 miles, sorry. That's not 30,000 miles. So yeah, this is Monday. There we go. Right, we're on to Tuesday. And last night, Sam went a bit earlier to pick up that gearbox that's been fully refurbed. It said all the new guts, all the new input shaft. You see where all that play was before. I can't remember if we did this in last week's Shine. I think we did last week's week at Shine. It's all greased up. She's all ready to go. She's all like brand new. That's better. Might as well just spend the money because these Peugeot gearboxes, they use a transit engine. Is it a Euro 4 engine, Sam? 6. Euro 6 and miles out, aren't they? And they just, if they'd used a transit gearbox, it would have been a lot better. So Sam's putting the clutch in now, and then we're gonna struggle to get the gearbox back on. There we go. It's our Tuesday, and we're just waiting on the thermostat housing to come for the little Corsa that we've done the head gasket on. Once that's here, if we can get these two jobs done today, that'll be a really, really good Tuesday. So that's what I'm planning to do. I know John wanted a hand. I'm going to try and get hold of John. John wants me to go and help him paint the toolbox. I'm going to try and put that down to tomorrow because we've got an easier job tomorrow that I could break the back out of that. I broke my back anyway. Whatever. This is Tuesday. Let's just get on with it. What day is it? What day? Open the door. What day is it? And what are we doing today? Working on another van. It's van week. What do you say, Ellie? Oh, just get working on that van! Securely on the lift, don't damage his van. Because it's James's van. And James would be upset, wouldn't he? Say, James, I'm not going to damage your van. Because I've got my bad back out. You're full on instructed how to work on this today. Do you want to know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're doing a rear spring, a set of pads, a trackered end, and something else. Good man. Yeah. Just gone out in the big test drive in that van that we're doing the clutch on, because I don't think I filmed a lot for Tuesday, but there we go. There we go. It's just how it happens at times, isn't it? Just how it happens. What pants? What? Oh, I can't believe I was just about to ask him what pants he's got on. Sorry, Lewis. I don't know what. He's getting it. That's all odd, mate. That's odd. So, are you looking forward to working on this van?
It's a van, not really.
Hey, well, it's commercial week. We're not going anywhere, are we, Lewis? Put that tyre on the back. Yeah, so this van is having discs. No, it's having pads. The discs, I've just took the edge off. They weren't that bad. Just keeping the cost down, the discs are alright. So it's getting pads all the way around. A spring on the back. Lewis is doing his tracker end now. Lewis has done his tracker end. Well done, Lewis. Make sure you clean that threads up so when it goes for tracking, make sure that can spin all the way up there. Oh, not bad. Needs to spin up further. Freely like that. Like, see how it's coming down like that? Yeah? You spin that all the way up. Make sure, so you just get the wire brush in there and just clean it all. Makes their life easier, makes it cheaper. Alright, good lad. So we're just waiting on the parts now, Lewis.
I need to get the spring off at the back.
Alright, if you get that done, then it's all ready to be built up. Well done, mate. You proper impressed me today. I'm on my way back in a little van. It's past its MOT. I think last week's Week at Shine, we put some bits on this, ready for its MOT, which was a spring and a shocker, if I remember rightly. I'm getting back to the yard, see how Lewis has got on with that van. I know the big van's been taken out of the garage, we did the clutch in, I think I've already said that. I don't know. Anyway, this van went straight through its MOT, so the customer is going to be happy as Larry. They've got that van done, that had the tracker ends and a few bits and bobs. I've just come up to see our mate John to give him a hand with this toe box he's made. This toe box he made, it needs painting. This toe box, that's what I thought it was, a toe box. This thing's beautiful. So this is what John's just made. Look at this. This is an oven for cooking pigs. And he's made all that. And what we're going to do is just get it scotched off, get it sealed up and get it in paint. But we've got this to contend with, so we'll just get smashed on. John, the fabricator. What are you doing out of the van? Get in the van now. Oh, sod you, Dad, I'm going where I like. In the van now. Right. Ellie. Right.
Stay on your bed,
Ellie. In your bed. You don't fit in there. What's John doing to you? Come on. Come in the van. Come in the van. Oh, John's been horrible. Hello. Go in the van. Where's your sister? God, this thing's taking ages. My hand's gone silver. Bella, you better not be in the front, sat on them seats. Oi! In here. Come here, you. Come here, you. Oh, but it's a bit chilly and I'm old. Come on, my little girls. Right, go lie down. Go lie down. Oh, I'm off in the front, mate. So do you, Dad. Go on, then. Go on, then. I'll over the seat. Go on in the front, then. Hello, Daddy. Bye, I've got to get on with this. Let's have a quick look. It's proper taking ages to do. Taking all the stickers off and that. Sanding it all down. Got all this stuff off this side. John's working away nicely in there. I've got all this sanded down, ready to go. Hopefully we'll get raptor tonight. That's where your big pig would go in the pig roast. Hog roast or whatever you call it. Hello. Right, let's crack on.
How good me lifting eyes
Your
are.
lifting eyes out. Oh.
Pull them out.
Oh God.
I hope not.
Run.
You need to guide it now.
I need to guide it.
Yeah.
You need to just come back very slowly. She's down. She's down. That's hard work getting it off that van. And then also we've got to get it sanded down and get it wrapped and get it back on the van without marking it. It's going to be hard.
Need to make this side tighter.
Yeah.
It lifts.
That's it, John. That's it, John. Look at it. Look at it. That is one big pig cooker oven thing. Proper late and it's drying. and it's all wrapped up. It's drying absolutely beautiful. Then tomorrow I'm going to come down and help John put it back on the truck, which I'm not looking forward to. It is midnight now. We've had a Chinese and maybe an Amstel. But yeah, I love the Raptor finish. There you go, look at that. That is stunning. So right, I'm going home for a shower. My back's still killing, but that's done. And I look like a hobo. Spare some change, mister. See you in the morning. All right. So Sam's got these little trip lights fitted. Right. This van is going to look awesome. It's for me to jump in now. What I'm going to do is give it a bit of a clean out on the inside. And then what I'm going to start doing is getting some carpet flyed up on the sides. I don't know how I'm going to do this yet. I think I'm going to do the side first and then do the boxes. Or I might do the boxes first, then the sides. I don't know. I'm just going to get it cleaned out and then work out what we're going to do. We're going to get all the carpet done before we start working out what we're going to do with the roof lining. What day is it today? It's Thursday. And what is this vehicle behind me? And what are we doing to it? Oil and filter. Oil and filter. So this is in for a quick oil and filter. I was at John's till very late last night doing that toolbox, which we are going to go back. I keep calling it a toolbox, but it's like a big thing. So oil and filter's done on that. It's just a quick service. And I'm jumping on. I'm going to start doing this van for the car audio centre. So I'm going to do some upholstery work today. Why my back's bad, I can just get sat in there and graft away. Lewis is sanding the bumpers and doing some bits on that little ST build that he's doing. So hopefully that video will be coming out soon if he gets his finger out and finishes it. So yeah, that's our busy Thursday. Did I just call it an ST? What is it?
Z-Tech X.
A what?
It's a Z-Tech X.
Z-Tech X. Z-Tech. Z-Tech. Z-Tech.
Oh, I got my Z-Tech X.
You've got your what?
It's not American, it's Z-Tech.
Yeah.
Coming from a guy who...
And then we're planning to get the garage sorted out soon. We've got this back display that Chris Pryor did, and this is going to be the engine building stand, but it's just become a bit of a stand. And the head's back as well, this head. So we've got the Burton Power ST engine build coming up very, very soon. I just need to get some more blue paint to finish the block. But this, just because we've been so busy with going away, it's just been a bit of a dumping ground. So this is all to sort out. You a little twat making all that noise in the background, Lewis. Not being very nice, are you? Come out with his shell now. Right, let's crack on. Boom! And we've just come up to help John put it on the back of the truck. So there we go. It just needs to come out now, but it looks mega. Looks mega. Back from John's, we're obviously loading that box. That BMW is all done. That Corsa that needed the head gasket is all done. Lewis has washed that down, give it a polish and hoover out this morning. So that's all ready to go. That's all ready to go.
Louis having a go with a welder.
No problem. You can have a go with a welder, mate.
We're trying anyway, but we haven't got very good earth. Feeling a bit rough.
You're just giving him something to have a play with.
More of that.
Not a problem. Are you wanting to continue?
We're just going to tack this bar on.
Yeah, crack on.
We're going to achieve it. Go on, Louis.
Go on, Lewis.
Come on, Louis.
Here, mate, I found that on the floor outside.
Blame Louis for that. Oh, he's got it.
Have you got it, Lou?
Look at that for a tack. Get zoomed in on that, look. Oh, that is a tack.
Well done, mate.
You'd swing your life off that tack, wouldn't you, Louis?
Yeah, well done.
You'd swing your life off it.
There we go, well done. You've tacked it up. Right, get in the van, you're going home, Lou. When they've got a quiet day, which we never have, looks so good that now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Nice starting in agricultural. Right, we'll see you later, John.
What are you doing, like?
I'm taking Lewis home, so we've got to be up and away early in the morning. Got stuff to do. You're going to have your full uniform on tomorrow, aren't you? Yeah. Where are we going tomorrow?
He won't be up there, will he?
He wants to be, because if he ain't there, we're going without him. Yeah, we're off to see the Braxton boys, the Braxton Breakers.
Braxton Breakers.
Yeah, that we're going to go look at for
Say it,
something special.
Big up.
Yep, right, get in the van. Get in the van. Oh, this is my seat, Lewis. Get in the back of the van, Lewis. Get in the back of the van. No. Luckily, we are in a Mondeo, following a Mondeo. Oh my God. Look at this. This is unbelievable. What day is it today?
Wednesday.
It's not Wednesday. What day is it? Friday. And Friday's the day that we do the YouTube stuff, and Sam is driving. We are in the lovely courtesy car. Very. What's up?
Dirty Codbeck benders. Codbeck blenders.
Smells nice. That smells nice, like cherry.
What cherries have you been sniffing?
That's what I can smell. Right, anyway, so it's Friday and we're going shopping. We're going shopping for an engine for the G-Wagon. Yes, we are going shopping for an engine for the G-Wagon, which is going to be a proper stirrer. It's going to be like Marmite. You're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. So, this has been a week at Shine. That's been Sam's little Casey. Gives a wave, Casey. He's waving. Today we're at Baxterden. I keep saying it wrong. Today we're at Baxterden Breakers and we are looking at buying